1990 Upper Deck foil pack box. This will be video 3 of 4. We're going to take a look at packs 5 and 6. Be sure to check out the first 2 videos to see what we pulled. And here's a recap on what we're looking for. In terms of rookies, the big one's going to be the Sammy Sosa, worth $3. Next is the Juan Gonzalez and the Larry Walker at $1.50 a piece. Larry Walker made the Hall of Fame in 2020. David Justice at 75 cents, Ray Lankford at 50 cents, and Dean Palmer at $0.25. This is a high series foil pack box, and we also threw in some low series packs as well. The low series packs are going to have cards 1 through 700. The high series packs are also going to have cards 701 through 800. A couple error cards were corrected cards that were made that we're looking for. Got the Ben McDonald rookie card, Mickey Tettleton collector's choice card, a couple other ones there. The Mickey Weston checklist number 700, Nolan Ryan card. So a couple of error cards. Let's go ahead and pull this low series pack and this high series pack. Alrighty. $15 card packs. Let's go ahead and take a look at the low series pack, see what we get. Got these low series packs from McNulty Sports Cards inside the front door in the bins there. If you're ever in his shop, be sure to check out those bins. He usually has some really good stuff in there. Start out with Len Dykstra. Tony Fernandez, phenomenal player there. Gary Gaetti. Nelson Santovenia. Mike Scott. Mike Smithson. Oh, there is the Mickey Weston card, and there is an error on that card. Let's take a look. Card number 683. So it's going to be, the error is that it says Jamie Weston on front and back. The corrected version says Mickey Weston on front and back. And it looks like we've got the corrected version. So that's going to be a 10-cent card. Here is our holographic card, and in this case it's a very light one. You can barely see it, but it's the Baltimore Orioles. There you go, you can see it right there. Nice. Roger Clemens, that's key. We'll throw him up there. Ken Hill. Frank DiPino. Tim Woollett. The collector's choice card of Bo Jackson. Nice. We'll take that one, Bo knows. And back to back. Now this is the second card that we've pulled today. His American League card. Awesome. Got Randy Kramer. And finally Jeff Musselman. Beautiful cards. So not bad in that fifth foil pack. We picked up Roger Clemens. Definitely take that. Phenomenal pitcher. And a pair of Bo Jacksons. Got his American League card. Second one that we pulled today. American League top vote getter card. And then his collector's choice card. Phenomenal painting by Vernon Wells there. Did a great job with Team Checklist on back. All right, let's take a look at this high series pack. High series pack that came in the foil box also came from McNulty Sports Cards. We've got Mariano Duncan, Tom Brunansky, Steve Balboni, Rafael Palmeiro, Tim Cruz, Mike Henneman, Todd Burns. Nice. Randy Johnson, second year Randy Johnson, that's key. We'll take that. Tom Brookins, Mark Williamson, Matt Young, there it is, rookie card of Ben McDonald. And I can already tell you this is going to be the corrected version. Star rookie logo on card front. The error is that there's an Orioles logo on front. So we've got the corrected Ben McDonald rookie card. That's going to be worth $0.25. Pete O'Brien, Matt Murillo, and finally, oh, there's a Reggie card, but not an autographed Reggie card. Baseball Heroes 1973, an MVP year. Still a cool card nonetheless. Card 2 of 9, we'll take it, put that on the stand, but that's the last card. Not bad in that second high series pack. We picked up Randy Johnson's second year card. Real happy about that. And of course, that Reggie Jackson Baseball Heroes card. There you have it, folks. Video 3 of 4, 1990 Upper Deck. A pair of high and low series 15 card foil packs from the box. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned. We're fixing to do it one more time in video 4.